Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. This is Magnolia Table by Joanna. Now, I love cookbooks, but I have to say this is my absolute favorite cookbook that I've ever used. I have not come across any recipe in this book yet that has steered me wrong. Every recipe has been delicious. I've not made all of them, but the ones that I have made are delicious. Not only is the food delicious, but it looks really beautiful. She gives you so many fun little tips on how to make things look beautiful when you're presenting them. Green beans. How do you make green beans look beautiful? Like this. That's how you do it. That's one of my favorite recipes, by the way. One of my favorite features of the book is that here at the top of most of her recipes, she'll write a little something letting you know why it's her favorite or how they use that recipe in their family. And sometimes she gives you ideas of how to pair it with certain other items, like a side or a salad or something like that. And I love that because I'm like, oh, that looks really like a great recipe, but what do I make with it? What do I serve with it? And she, a lot of times, will let you know. One of my favorite recipes is her beef tenderloin. I have made this at least 5 times now, and every single time everyone's like, where did you get this recipe? It's incredible. Beef tenderloin is hard to make correctly, and if you follow her very detailed instructions of exactly what to do here, you'll get it right. I love that. This is a great book. I just think it's really beautifully made. So many different items, a big selection. It's a huge favorite of mine. That's my point of view.